Yeah, man, welcome back to Project SRT. Today just gonna be a little normal Sunday. Got this nice little car meet. It looks like a major turnout out here in Cincinnati. So I'm gonna get through this parking stuff. It's a whole lot of cars. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. It's a lot of cars, a lot of people. It's just crazy, man. Just look at this. It's a lot. But yeah, try to find a parking spot. Once I do, then I will cut the camera back on. Alright, man, we just got down here. We have Fairfield. It's not Cincinnati, but Fairfield. Yeah, man, my dude Donnie pulled up. I think he was already out here. Got the red Forgiatos on here, the Hellcat. Got the carbon fiber front splitter. Side skirts, carbon fiber. Got the rear diffuser on here. Yeah, man. Only thing you're missing is the red badge. It's a nice turnout, though. Our car right there. My boy Eddie car right here. Oh yeah. For sure. But nah, I mean, but you feel me? If I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
It's just sad and depressed in the back.
Yeah, man.
But it's really the front.
Get the Hellcat Challenger. Sir, he got a YouTube channel too. 392 right there. It's a nice turnout though, man. It's a lot of cars here. I don't even want to be right here recording for too long, but it's just, man, it's a lot of cars. Got the Audi, he pulled up with us. This thing sounds crazy. Yeah, man. A lot of cars though. Got this Mustang GT500, okay. Supercharged, of course. Like you got a little bit more extra work done to it. Got the big tires on the back, of course. Got an M3 right here. Got a Fox body Mustang. Ooh, this engine bay is clean. Out of block. It's nice. It's M3 clean too. Yeah. Another GT. This thing is modded though. He ain't gonna pop the hood because it be running people, so you know how that goes. Pontiac G8 GT. Look at this though, man. This thing is crazy. Z01 lime green with the gray wrap. Should have went lime green with the calipers too, but that's still cool. I kind of don't get the whole accent and everything. Got the red with the gray with the lime green. Got the giant wing on here. It's carbon fiber though. Got a black roof. Pretty sweet. It's alright. Sir. It's kind of crazy out here. It's a whole lot of cars, man. A lot of cars. There's probably well over 300 cars out here. Yes, sir. I think there's just like a Ford little area. It's clean too.
They're so little and light, it's like it's asking for it, but at the same time, they're like, it's kind of
Another
got
Fox
value,
body.
so it does, I know. See, what do you want with the figures like that? I don't know.
This yours?
What is it?
This yours?
Oh no, I wish it was.
I was about to say this engine bay clean though.
Yeah,
This engine bay is clean. Like this color on here. It's like it's almost the same color as mine with the little flakes in there or whatever. It's like it looks sweet. I like it.
That's it. Okay, man.
Thank you. Look at that, man. These tires like they're gonna fall off. That's crazy. Bro, look at the pipes on here. Man, look at that, bro. That is wild. That is wild. Got the SS's over here. Golly.
That's a lot.
SS line. What's going on there? What? That looks different.
I think everybody just split up.
Yeah, we kind of like scattered all over the place.
I just went down the bottom, so I guess I'm just walking around taking content.
Yeah, I'm just picking up
I
different
need to get a
cars.
nice high picture like of all the cars.
Yeah,
But they ended
bro,
up
that's
over there.
that's where the drone would have came in handy at.
I'm so
The
pissed
drone
I
would have
got
came
the
in
car.
handy out here.
But I'll go buy that bitch right now.
I should probably go get my GoPro though and just use the extended thing to snap a picture or everything like that.
You could do that too.
Yeah, man. It's a nice turnout though. It's a crazy turnout. RS4? Nice. Some big tires on here. Oh man, look at that Cobra.
We're getting ready to sell now.
This Cobra crazy. Woo. Man, it's so clean.
Oh, okay.
The garage was built, I think, in 99 or 2000.
Yeah. Hold on. Nissan GTS. What is this? Skyline. Okay, it's a Skyline. These rims on here are nice. Nice. Acura. NSX. It's a little dirty, but man, you don't see too many of these. And it's the old school one, man. This thing is hard. Like it been sitting in the garage. Look how much space it got in here, though, man. It's a lot of space for it to just be a two-seater. Couple Mustangs over there. Got like a 04-ish GTO. Some decent cars out here. Got a Lancer right there. Got the 350Z carbon fiber splitter. Look at how low this 5.0 sitting though, man. This thing is sitting super low. Like, it's essentially touching the ground. I think it's crazy. Got 370. Another 350. Got a CTSV. Yes, sir. I always wanted one of these, but I got what I want right now. For now. CTSV coupe. Got the Maserati. That's crazy. Oh yeah, look at this. Got the Lambo out here. Got the Lambo. I like a Murcielago. Nah, this is a Gallardo. It's smaller. This a Gallardo or a Mercy? I think it's a Gallardo.
Yeah.
It's smaller. This the bike with the train horn?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Want to give it a little go for the YouTube? See the horns on the back of there? That is just, that's wild.
Yeah, fired up.
Got the SRT Durango out here. I think I rode with this person before. Yeah, I definitely rode with this person. This thing move out to SRT 392 Durango. Got the Scat Pack Challenger. It got headers and something else done to it.
I already claimed that one, man. You got. That thing's sweet right there.
You don't see this car without this truck.
He was just saying he wonders.
Same
This is
guy
the first
probably
one we've
owns
been
them
to.
It's a woman that
Yeah,
drives
that's
this.
That Kirby Carver. I like that.
Yeah, you would spot them if you see like a Rottweiler. They have a Rottweiler.
Have you seen one with the red eyes yet?
Yeah, it was a guy. There's a guy like in Dayton that had one. It was purple, like plum crazy purple. I think it's sweet.
You see that little old Datsun go through? Did you see that white one?
It came through when we were down there and we can't find it anywhere.
I know it wasn't.
It's crazy. That looks crazy.
I was about to say it was 2 girls around in there.
That dude look like he played in the movie.
GT350 supercharged. I know y'all saw this on the Austin Landon meet. Gotta get it again. This thing look crazy. It sounded good though. Yes, sir, this thing nice. That kind of like it's slow. It's slow. These primarily domestic cars over this way, man. So we just gonna make our way to the other side. Hopefully we can run into some more foreign stuff, but it's still some pretty decent cars right here. Like this is S2K right here, and this thing is nice. It's an S2K. This thing wild, bro. This, bro, I feel like some of these cars are from the one at Austin Landon that were just taking off. Oh my God, that mug is nasty. Lambo. C63. Now that's bro. He running. He gotta be running, bro. He gotta be running, cause bro, look at bro.
I can't wait to get.
Yeah, he gotta be running, bro. Bro, look at this though, bro. Like, bro, they tripping with these hood scoops, bro. Hey, you gotta look at it up close too, bro. Like, this is carbon fiber, bro. That's carbon fiber. They going crazy,
Like this on your truck.
bro.
I'll stop one on.
they going crazy, bro. Another one.
That's a big Ford. You see where the driver's side is?
Oh yeah, this thing crazy. This thing crazy. Got the right hand drive, steering wheel match the paint job. That's hard. No idea what this is. Alright.
I'm just recording and then cutting it right back on.
Got the Rory out here.
Never turn back on again.
This thing is crazy. Sorry about that. Straight man. Yeah, this thing is wild. Got the GTR right next to it. Yeah, man, this interior is crazy, man. Euro charge, Cincy. GTR, that Mustang down there acting crazy. Yes, sir, this thing is hard, man. GT3. Oh yeah, he about to hit that way. I gotta get it. Hold on. He has some more footage on this GT3, man. This thing is hard. Got the old school mob car. I have no idea what it's called, but I like it. It's a Ford. I mean, not Ford, but it's a Chevy. Trans Am. Brought a couple bikes out. Nothing too major with this area. It's kind of like a little domestic car area as well. Got a few flashy cars in there, like this little wrap. It's not of my taste, but it's alright. It's alright. It's a 5.0. Hopefully it's a girl's car. At a Brock supercharger. Nice. Oh, we signed the names. I can sign my name on here.
Yep, either the doors or the roof. It's my car.
Hey, so he let us sign on here. Say he gonna clear coat everything, man. This is pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, man. Sir, had to make sure I put mine on there. My little insignia right there. Project SRT. So you're gonna clear coat the whole thing. That's sweet. That's pretty. That's a dope thing. It's Army, man. Look at this. Woo. Hey, this hard, bro. Oh man, see, bro, we missing it, bro. I am sorry, we are missing it.
Walk up this section right here.
Over.
Zigzag real quick. Get the
So you gonna get some food?
I'll say we can zigzag right here real quick and go up there and watch people pull in.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. He chopping. Woo! Different. That's different. I kind of like that.
I was trying to look out bad shot. Hey, I'll go get my chair and sit right there.
I thought that was Emmanuel. Woo! God damn! Yeah, man. Hey, look at that BMW, bro. That BMW, man.
Yeah. Hey, I will. Yeah. I appreciate the love. Thank you.
That's nice. Nice little BMW. The SS Trailblazer. Got another one coming in. It's a nice turnout, man. Got the NSX right there leaving. Got the skyline right behind it. Get y'all some more content on this. It's Cam.
You got time to get out the car and get there.
Cam Trailblazer. It's getting everybody leaving right now, man. Everybody not leaving, but just getting you know, this Mustang sound crazy. Thing sound crazy. He ain't even got no mufflers on there. Got the SRT4 neon. Sir. That. Oh yeah. The Lambo's out. Oh yeah, yeah. That's a Huracan right there. That last one, the Huracan. Yeah, man. Oh, you got switches on there.
It's tight.
Watch out, little
It's
Cooper.
a decent turnout, man. There's still more cars over there. Look at. They got booths set up over here. And I said this is a good meet, man. This was a really nice turnout, man. This will happen when you just follow people. Just follow them, don't know where you're going. Just say, we about to go to a car meet, and you end up at a nice one. Yeah, I gotta grab some of these for y'all. See the AMG. This thing is nice, man. I want one of these. 4-door AMG. I think it's a GTS, or is it just the GT? Smoke is nasty though. I need to get a better shot for y'all. Hold on. All right, there we go. Yes, sir. This thing is nice. 4-door AMG GT. Got the yellow caliber. Yeah, it's a GT. AMG.
GT, right?
Yeah, AMG GT.
Yeah, okay, I thought so. That front end, that's a GT, yeah.
Yep, they started making them last year.
Yeah, yes.
Nice cars right here. Got the R8. Got that V10 in there. Yes, man, get man. Got the Porsche 911 Turbo. Follow them at Metador Matty. This thing crazy. Like the color of this. It sits super low though. I don't know if I'll be able to drive this. It sit way too low. It's a nice little foreign car lineup right there. Show y'all some more of this. These Lambos. Alright, yeah. Here we go. This is a Huracan. A Venador. Okay. Aircon and a Venador. I knew it was something. He's a nice man. That is enough for the little walk around right now. Stay tuned for part 2 when everybody's leaving. Peace.